Hi everyone, welcome to my channel Product Review Top 5. Introduction. As the world shifts towards sustainable transportation, electric vehicles, EVs, are gaining popularity due to their eco-friendly nature and improved efficiency. Alongside the rise of EVs, the demand for electric car jacks has also grown rapidly. Electric car jacks offer convenience and ease when it comes to lifting vehicles for maintenance, tire changes, or emergencies. With a plethora of options available in the market, we have compiled a list of the top 5 best electric car jacks that combine reliability, functionality, and safety. These jacks are designed to make lifting your EV a breeze while ensuring your vehicle remains secure throughout the process. Whether you are a seasoned mechanic or an EV enthusiast, these electric car jacks are bound to provide the support you need. Let's explore the top picks for the best electric car jacks on the market today. Number 5. EHEELP TT03 Electric Car Jack. I recently had the pleasure of using the EHEELP TT03 electric car jack, and I must say that it has greatly exceeded my expectations. This innovative hydraulic jack has proven to be an indispensable tool, making tire changes and vehicle maintenance a breeze. Allow me to share my experience with this remarkable product. First and foremost, the EHEELP TT03 electric car jack boasts impressive specifications. With a maximum height of lift of 53 centimeters and a weight capacity of 5,000 kilograms, it can easily handle most vehicles, including SUVs and trucks. This strength and stability instill confidence during use, knowing that it can effortlessly lift even heavy vehicles. The design of this electric car jack is both sleek and compact, measuring 35 centimeters in length, 16.2 centimeters in height, and 16.2 centimeters in width. It is easy to store in the trunk of a car or in a small garage space. The alloy material used in its construction ensures durability, adding to its longevity. Number 4. FOVOW ZSTT02 Electric Car Jack. I recently purchased the FOVOW ZSTT02 electric car jack, and I must say that it has greatly impressed me with its performance and convenience. This hydraulic jack, equipped with an air pump and LED lights, has proven to be an invaluable addition to my car maintenance toolkit. In this review, I will share my experiences and insights regarding this product. One of the standout features of the FOVOW ZSTT02 electric car jack is its exceptional efficiency and ease of use. With a maximum loading capacity of 5 tons, this electric jack effortlessly lifts vehicles within the lifting height range of 155–450 millimeters. The process is quick and smooth, saving both time and effort. Additionally, the inclusion of an air pump allows for easy inflation of tires on the go, eliminating the need for an additional tool. The presence of built-in LED lights on this electric car jack is a thoughtful addition. It provides ample illumination in low light conditions, making it easy to locate the correct lifting points underneath the vehicle. This feature enhances safety and convenience, especially during nighttime emergencies or when faced with poor visibility. Number 3. FOVOW ZSTT03 Electric Car Jack. First and foremost, the FOVOW ZSTT03 boasts an impressive lifting range of 155 to 450 155 to 530 millimeters. This wide range ensures that it can easily accommodate a variety of vehicles from sedans to SUVs. Regardless of the size or weight of the car, this jack handles it with ease, thanks to its remarkable maximum loading capacity of 5 t. I appreciate the versatility it offers, allowing me to lift and work on different vehicles without any hassle. One standout feature of this electric car jack is its exceptional power. With a jack-rated power of 150 W, it operates with utmost efficiency. The DC 12V operation voltage ensures compatibility with most vehicles' electrical systems, allowing me to power it directly from the car's battery. The 4-meter power cable provides ample length, enabling convenient use in various situations. Safety is always a top priority when dealing with heavy machinery, and the FOVOW ZSTT03 addresses this concern perfectly. The maximum current of 13 A and pressure rating of 150 psi ensure stable and controlled lifting operations. Additionally, the maximum torque of 420 Nm delivers a reliable grip, ensuring the jack stays securely in place during use. Number 2. KUNFINE KFA1268 Electric Car Jack. I recently purchased the KUNFINE KFA1268 electric car jack, and I must say, it has exceeded my expectations. This electric jack has proven to be an indispensable tool for lifting my car effortlessly and efficiently. Allow me to share my experience and thoughts on this remarkable product. First and foremost, the KUNFINE KFA1268 boasts an impressive lifting capacity. With a maximum load-bearing capacity of 12 kilograms, It effortlessly lifts my vehicle, providing stability and security during the process. I appreciate the use of high-quality metal and plastic materials, which contribute to the overall durability of the jack. The KFA1268's electric operation is a game-changer. Gone are the days of struggling with a manual jack and exerting physical effort to lift the car. With just a simple push of a button, this electric jack smoothly elevates the vehicle within seconds. This feature alone has saved me considerable time and effort, especially during emergency tire changes or routine maintenance. Number 1. FOVOW D01 Electric Car Jack. I recently had the opportunity to try out the FOVOW D01 electric car jack, and I must say, it's a game changer when it comes to lifting and changing tires. This compact and sturdy electric car jack has impressed me with its efficiency, convenience, and overall reliability. One of the standout features of the FOVOW D01 is its impressive lifting range, which spans from 155mm to 530mm. This wide range allows it to accommodate various vehicle types, making it suitable for everything from sedans to SUVs. I particularly appreciate the flexibility it offers, as I no longer need to purchase multiple jacks for different vehicles in my household. The color options available for the FOVOW D01, namely orange and red, are visually appealing. Personally, I opted for the vibrant orange variant, which adds a touch of style to my garage. The attention to detail in the design is evident, and it's clear that FOVOW has considered aesthetics along with functionality. Thanks for watching this video.